Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F7 and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the apps. Then let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter other settings. Here we've got the option Reset App Preferences, so let's tap on it. And now your devices inform you what it will actually reset, so among others disabled app notifications and background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on Reset Apps and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.